Some time ago, a junior developer was trying to locate the right bracket pair for some dummy JSON data. She made repeated attempts to escape before asking her team leader to help her. The team leader installed a Visual Studio Code plugin that assists developers in locating misplaced brackets. Within a few minutes, our team leader had this problem resolved. Amazing, the junior developer remarked. You see, despite the fact that there are useful tools that might expedite the development process, many developers spend time struggling to perform tasks manually. Your ability to recognize these tools will allow you to avoid doing a lot of difficult labor. That is one of the languages that is rapidly expanding for developing robust desktop, web, and mobile apps. The Visual Studio Code Marketplace offers a variety of plugins and extensions to help developers increase their productivity. Share a handful of them, shall we? When creating classes, functions, or JSON mock data, it can be difficult to identify the proper bracket pair. Bracket Pair Colorizer 2 addresses this issue. This will allow developers to find missing brackets more quickly. In the Dart application, we frequently create classes for API integrations. These classes need a few methods to be defined in order for them to work. You can include missing methods by using the Visual Studio Code Dart Data Class Generator. The constructor copy with to map, from map to JSON, from JSON to string, and hash code of data class classes are automatically generated by the class generator. Developers may want to document different parts of their code. Initially, this seems like a fine idea, but as the code grows, it gets overwhelming. So, how can we prevent building a complicated code base? The Visual Studio Code Better Comments makes it easier to create colorful comments, which improves their readability. Keeping track of the numerous code comments throughout the entire application is now seamless. Okay, let's examine one more extension. It can be painful and time-consuming to create Dart models for each JSON data response. Here is where the JSON to Dart model extension is useful. You can make a Dart class from the provided JSON response using JSON to Dart model. By doing so, you may concentrate on the most crucial part of the feature you are developing. Having the right set of development extensions and tools is the first step in making your life easier. Your productivity will skyrocket if you choose the right extensions. Before beginning your next project, I suggest taking some time to explore some of these extensions.